Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset your Bumble account. If you want to reset your Bumble account, you can do so by deleting your current account and creating a new one. However, this process will erase your messages, conversations, and profile data. Here how to reset your Bumble account. Open your Bumble application and go to the settings icon. There, scroll to the bottom and you can see delete account option. From here, you can choose any options. If you are using mobile application, it is good idea to clear Bumble cache and data to ensure no old data remains. On iPhone, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the application. On Android, go to Settings, Application, Bumble Storage and clear cache and clear data. After that, create a new Bumble account. Reinstall the application if you have uninstalled it. Then, sign up with new credentials. Use a new phone number, email or social media account such as Facebook or Apple ID to sign up. If you use same credential, Bumble may still link to your old account data. Other step is to set up your new profile. Create a fresh profile with new pictures, a new bio, and start swiping again. Some important notes are why to reset. Some users reset their account to start fresh, whether they want to improve their profile or feel like their current matches aren't working out. Other is that Bumble may limit or flag accounts that reset too frequently, as it may be seen as spammy behavior. Be mindful of how often you do this. So, resetting your Bumble account gives you a clean slate, but be sure you are ready to lose your current matches and data before proceeding. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.